Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share a haul of some random purchases that I've made in the past few months from different places. So it'll be a little random, but I just thought I would go ahead and share in case anyone's in the market for something. The first place that I got things from was Paper Source. And I just got a few things there. I got this washi tape, which I already had, and I use it a lot, especially in my planner. And they finally restocked it, so I thought I would get another roll. I don't usually restock my washi tape, but like I said, I just use this one a lot. So it was $3.95. It's really pretty. I highly recommend it if you are looking for a fun floral. I also got these stickers. They are glitter hearts, and you get a lot in here for $10. Get 10 sheets of 12 stickers, so that's an awful lot. I wanted to show you, they're very, very thick, so they are really nice quality, and they add some nice dimension. I used one already to seal my sister's birthday card, and they're just so pretty and fun. So if you like glitter, I definitely recommend these. And again, these things are both from Paper Source. The next place that I went was one of our local bookstores for Bookstore, National Independent Bookstore Day. I got this set. I got some books too, but I'm not sharing them in this haul. I did get a set of thank you notes, which are so beautiful. I've never seen this brand before, but I do like that it's chlorine free. So these would be beautiful for summer thank you notes for my birthday and stuff like that. They're a little bit pricey, but I'm excited to have some new thank you notes. I'm always running out of those, so. I also got a little button that says reading is resistance, and I couldn't pass it up because it's so cute, and I definitely believe in the sentiment behind that, so just a little impulse buy at the checkout there. The next place that I went was Target, and my Target has very different stuff than my sister's, so when we went there for her birthday, I picked up a couple things that we didn't have at our Target. So these are from their craft line and their craft section, and I got this glitter mix, and it's very, oops, sorry, I bumped the camera. It's very magical. It has stars, and they're really pretty, like fun, sparkly shape, and regular stars as well. Then it has some pink hexes, and you can't really see them, but there are some unicorns in there, which I think is kind of fun. I can't tell you exactly what I want to use these on yet, because it's a surprise or something I haven't told people about, so it'll come out later, but I think these are going to be perfect for a project that I have in mind. And then I also got another mix, and it is more like sequins, and it's just a bunch of different butterflies. I thought those were super pretty and fun for spring, and I can't help it that Taylor Swift music video is making me think of everything rainbows and butterflies, not to mention Casey Musgraves. I've been really into her music for a while now, so it just reminds me of her, and we are going to her concert in Kansas City in September, so I know if nothing else I will use them for that spread. And the last thing I got at Target were these pretty butterfly note cards. I don't know that we have these at our Target, but either way, I just thought they were too pretty to pass up with all the foiling. So adding these to my collection for mailing. I have been sending a lot more snail mail again. I used to send it all the time, and kind of in the moving and in between living spaces sort of situation, I didn't send as much, so I'm excited to start sending more again. The next place I got things from was Anthropologie. I usually go when we go out to the plaza in Kansas City, which is not very often. So it's kind of like a treat for me. So I got this embellished patch because I thought it was so pretty. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it, but it was on the clearance. So I'm excited about that. Really cute. This is not really a stationary item. Here comes a train, hold on. Okay, I'm back. We've had a lot of trains today. This isn't really a stationery item, but it was still wrapped up in here, so I'll go ahead and show you. It's a little card holder for your wallet or purse, and I actually have one of these that closes with a little snap, and I love it, but I am obsessed with dark green, and it's so hard to find things that are dark green, so I decided to go ahead and pull the trigger on this. I think it's really cute. It's got a couple different pockets. Again, not really stationery, but I thought I'd show you. Then I found these on the clearance as well. The only thing that wasn't on clearance was that green wallet. This really cute unlined journal. I thought this would be really fun for journaling or documenting, or I don't really know. Because it's leather, you could kind of chunk it up and it would still fit in here okay. So I couldn't pass it up since it was on sale. Then I got the same notebook in another color. So this one is blue with pretty teal pages, also unlined. So we'll see what I do with those. Worst case scenario, I'll just give them away. But I'm excited to use them. So that's all from Anthropologie. And the last place that I got things is from Webster's Pages. They were having a sale. I joined their email list, and I was lucky to see that they were having a really big sale. Here's another train. Okay, I saw that Webster's Pages was having a really big sale via email, so I purchased a lot of stuff. Normally their stuff is just like a little bit too expensive for me to actually pull the trigger on, even though I'm sure I would love it. So the sale was actually really great because now I know that I really like this brand. So they had a sale that every notebook or planner or whatever was $15, which is really cheap for their website. So I will show you what I got. I could have bought more. I probably bought more than I needed. It was a really good sale. So the first thing that I got is this Traveler's Notebook. It is pink leather. Has this cute little tag on here. It says "Give Thanks." You can see it's the standard Traveler notebook size, and I actually pulled out the one I bought at Michael's quite a while ago to show you how much more this one can hold from Webster's Pages. It's crazy because these are my 2018 albums, which are insanely chunky, and there's still room that you could probably put more in here if you really wanted to, because they're just so much bigger. Which is really nice. I mean, the Michaels ones are great too, but I just thought I would share that because I didn't realize. So I'll do a video soon of the remainder of the 2018 album, but inside you can see it's got some nice pockets here, quite a few, a spot for a pin, and then more pockets in the back. So I'm really pleased with that one. It's very cute. It also has a spot here that you could hang some charms or something off of. So yeah, just the standard size, that was $15. I also got one of the passport sized ones. So this is the copper honeycomb design. You can see it's kind of metallic, and this one says "Inspire" on the tag. Cute place you can hang charms as well on here. So inside it's pretty similar. It has some pockets. It has quite a few little strings to put your notebooks on. Each of them came with one notebook, just a pretty standard one, which is kind of nice. And then more pockets in the back and another pen holder. I think this size is really cute. It was the least on sale because it's the smallest, so it was cheaper to begin with, but I wanted to try out the size and I couldn't pass it up with the sale. Unfortunately, some other things were already sold out by the time I got there, but that's okay because I probably didn't need this many, let alone more. This is the one that has been on my wish list for a very long time, and I just hadn't pulled the trigger on it. I love the champagne gold color. It's so beautiful. It's the same as the pink one here, so you can see it'll hold a lot someday. This says "Hello Beautiful," and then inside it has the same pockets as the pink one, and then I put the insert from the pink one in here since I already filled the pink one up. So again, just a pen holder, more pockets, and I think these are normally about $30, so getting it for $15 was definitely a good deal. Box for the pink one, and then lastly I got one of their larger size items, which is a planner. And these are normally $55, and I basically just loved this buffalo check. I just thought it was really pretty. So I didn't even think about the fact that there was anything in it. So I don't know that I'm going to use the planner pages. I'll probably pull them out and store them in case I decide to try it someday. But for something that was $55 on sale for $15, I thought it didn't really matter because I could punch holes and use this basically as a binder for documenting if I wanted to. So we'll see what happens. But it comes with a ton of pockets in the front. This part has a floral pattern, which I'm not crazy about because I think this reminds me of like Christmas, so or like fall, and I don't think I would use these colors with it, but again, for the price it really didn't matter to me. For those that are interested, it does come with planner pages that you can move around and rearrange however you'd like. It's undated, so you can start using it whenever and fill it out on your own, so that's kind of nice. But yeah, same format otherwise, just more pin holders in the back, pockets, and then this one does have a little tag as well, and it says forever on it. So yeah, I was really pleased with the price that I got on these in the varying sizes, and I'm happy with the little odds and ends that I picked up here or there in the past few months. So hopefully that gives you some ideas if you're looking for a good floral washi tape, or if you're wondering about the quality of these Webster's pages, notebooks and things. Hopefully that gives you a good idea. I'll link everything below that's still around. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.